Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more good information. Today we're going to go over how to remove the drawers from a French door bottom mount freezer of your Samsung refrigerator. Yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty basic, nothing real big heavy about it. Now first of all, you open it up and then this will lift up and then come right out. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, set it off to the side. Now the freezer, basic same thing. You pick it up, tilt it forward, and you pull it out. Okay, and now if you look at this, you see these rollers here? These are actually for your upper fridge, or your upper drawer, so it actually rolls across there. Okay, and to put it back in, once you clean it, put it back in. Now if you look over here also, I want to show you something. You see this right here? This is actually going to line up with your hole right here. You see these right here and right here? I've got it on both sides. That's how you'll know you'll be in correctly if it lines up in those. If not, it's going to be kind of cattywampus and it won't go in right. Okay? Put it in, set it back down. Hey, try and sit, because you can be a little bit back. Okay? But unfortunately, like I said, it actually slides in pretty easy. Nothing really to worry about. Now the top one, see, we've got our wheels that'll roll. These wheels are going to roll right out here, and this wheel is going to roll, right back here. So it actually has the 4 wheels that actually keep it rolling, so you're not actually sliding plastic on metal or metal on plastic or plastic vice versa. It's pretty easy. You put it back in. Now, okay, it just goes like that. Okay, and it stops and it pulls back.
Keith, is it the same on all Samsung with French door refrigerators?
For the most part, yes. Okay, there might be a few specialty fridges that might be a little different, but for the most part, this is how most all of your Samsungs will come apart. Now your 4-door freezers, those basically are just like drawer bins. They come out just like a drawer bin. Nothing big, nothing to them. You just pull them out, lift them up. But for most of your French doors, it's all basically the same process. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel, and come back for some more good information next week. Have a good day.